Garden is a really special series. They have been organizing shows for the past few months, and we've been going to some of them. And we have a thriving local music scene here. Like, you guys should go out and support the local musicians here. Their music. We have presidents like Lucas from the Blackberries, Chicago Project going on. We have Aman Mekta. He has a show this weekend on Saturday. You guys should go check his band out. Luke Ruski just played a show last night. Like, it was amazing people in the scene, and we just want to thank Timber for giving us a platform to show our art, and especially to Rachel there sitting right there. She's been instrumental in giving us a platform as well. There's so much love in this country around music, and we are so grateful.
Super grateful.
Yeah.
We actually started our day with that gratefulness thing. Have you guys ever done that? It feels pretty good. But we're still grateful right now for so much stuff, including and especially this sound crew back here and everything. You know, musicians are tricky. Definitely. These guys are doing a great job because musicians are difficult to deal with. And you're doing a great job, guys. Appreciate it. All right.
Would you say we if you come if you don't?